Following is our simple presentation of Zoho CRM integrated with Matterport through our extension that we developed for Zoho CRM. It's very simple. When you are in your leads or deals module and you want to bring in the Matterport inside view into a record, all you have to do is to select this ID in your Matterport URL, which is after the M equal. You take that code and you download our extension, which is in the App Store of Zoho CRM, and we'll publish it in the description of this video. And then all you have to do is enter in the code into the Matterport ID field. And upon saving it, you could navigate over to the relayed list Matterport VR walkthrough, or go down in your record, and you're able to load seamlessly the Matterport inside of the record. So this is a great use case for public adjusters, contractors, real estate, anyone in those fields that are using Matterport and Zoho CRM, and they want to be able to integrate the two.